It begins with a thought, an idea that keeps growing in your mind. You spend days, months, or even years just simply thinking about it. There are many ways to get started, take action, and make progress, but both you and I know the best way is to have a guide as you surround yourself with like-minded people. Peers who are on your level that are actively taking the next step. You will feel empowered and your confidence will breed confidence. Having so many options to choose from when purchasing a real estate investing educational program, you will soon find out that just a few will understand your thoughts, your fears, and your expectations. For the next 6 weeks, I will be your coach. Grasp your vision, create realistic goals, and diligently apply what I've learned from investing since 2014 and deliver a framework for you to build your experience and portfolio. Seating is limited. Register today.